Looking for the best vanity mirror lights for makeup? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll outline the top 5 vanity mirror lights that are perfect for making makeup look perfect. From soft light to dramatic shadows, we have everything you need to get the perfect makeup look. So let's get started with the list. List number 1. Chende LED Vanity Mirror Lights. Introducing Chende LED Vanity Mirror Lights, a full-length mirror with 10 Hollywood-style dimmable LED light bulbs. The lights provide plenty on brightness to makeup in dark. 4000K light bulbs be recommended by professional makeup artists. It is soft and not dazzling, so your eyes not be hurt by the light, and it is no problem to make up for a long time. Easy be installed in a few minutes. Easily stick it directly on the mirror frame or wall in a few minutes, and then plug and play with the included safe 12V power supply. Smart on, off touch dimmer switch to adjust the brightness for your need at any time. Make you relax to make up under the ideal brightness and present a perfect makeup. Light projection in the face of the light enough will not form a shadow on the makeup to ensure uniform color. It will allow you to complete your beauty routine perfectly. And you can use the mirror to make up in the dark condition as well. This LED lighted mirror lets you create the perfect makeup look in any room. With 10 Hollywood-style dimmable LED lights and a touch dimmer switch, you can adjust the brightness to your exact liking. The bulbs have a soft light that does not drain your energy. List number 2. Pretness Hollywood-style Vanity Mirror Lights Kit. This mirror light kit is fitted with high-quality LED lights, which are of professional standard, and brightness can be adjusted as per your requirement. Also, this vanity mirror allows you to save energy by adjusting brightness levels after many professional tests. The color is a perfect match for modern bathrooms, with white color to give you a nice glow when using makeup and a beautiful effect when using the light. The wire of this lamp is retractable, which can be hidden into bulb's base by rotating the lampshade to achieve the best DIY effect and keep your mirror neat and seamless. Hollywood-style vanity mirror lights, recommended by professional makeup artists, 3 modes: cold white, natural white and warm white. This vanity mirror lights kit is provided with 10 levels of brightness. It will enable you to complete perfect makeup and dressing. Our LED mirror light is also a good choice for long-time lighting needs. LED lights ensure power saving, are more durable than ordinary plastic lamps. In combination with high-quality optic materials, the brightness adjusted after many professional tests can not only ensure longer use time but also ensure that the eyes do not hurt when facing the vanity lights for a long time, due to long-term exposure to ultraviolet radiation. List number 3. LED Vanity Mirror Lights. Our LED vanity mirror lights are a smart, low-energy way to add light to your bathroom. They can be used as makeup lights, fill lights and decoration lights in your bathroom or bedroom. And they are especially great at night when you need additional light to help with your makeup application. Our light strip is slim and flexible, so you can cut it as needed to create the look you want. 1800-watt flexible light strip is a good choice for all kinds of interior decoration, such as vases, mirrors, clocks and so on. Flexible curved loop design can be bent as needed to meet the shape of your interior design. Accentuate your makeup vanity with this elegant vanity mirror with 6 LEDs in 3 different colors. With multiple uses, it can be applied to makeup, fill light, decoration, and so on. This slim, compact and flexible strip can be cut as needed to meet your DIY mirror creative. Keeps your skin at its best all day long with the help of this high-quality makeup lighting kit. The LED strip lights are made of super high-quality material and have the best brightness, 300 lumen per meter, in a completely non-damaging way and lasting up to 50,000 hours. The power supply is UL certified after various tests. They can be used with confidence in their multiple uses. List number 4. Upgraded Hollywood-style Vanity Mirror Lights Kit. This vanity mirror light bulbs is a professional makeup artist made. Multiple color modes on the market. Light projection in the face of the light enough will not form a shadow on the makeup to ensure uniform color. It will allow you to complete your beauty routine perfectly. And you can use the mirror to make up in the dark condition. Professional makeup artists create this Hollywood-style vanity mirror light bulbs to fit your perfect bathroom. This kit is equipped with high-quality bulbs and circuitry that creates the look of a candle with one basic, easy-to-use remote control. Most importantly, these lights are versatile and customizable. They are compatible with all kinds of surfaces including glass, metal and tile. Light projection in the face of the light enough will not form a shadow, so you can complete your beauty routine perfectly. The mirror choose the light closing to the light of the day so that your skin color would naturally show. Professional makeup artist made this vanity mirror light bulbs. Multiple color modes on the market. Gentle, soft and not dazzling, so your eyes will not be hurt by the light and it is no problem to make up for a long time. Besides, it is close to the daylight brightness so your skin color be shown naturally. List number 5. Vanity Vanity Lights for Mirror. Our Vanity Vanity Lights for Mirror are rated at 1200 lumens, a Cree of 80 and a 6500K color temperature. They cast very little shadows and provide an even, natural light to your face. The touch dimmer helps adjust brightness levels by just lightly touching the lights. Made from premium materials and only using certificated electrical components, these vanity lights are for people who care about quality. All the electrical components, 12 volts constant current adapter, long-lasting high-pot LEDs and sensitive touch dimmer with overloaded protection. Illuminate your vanity with a beautiful and effective light system. Update the makeup table with our new makeup lights kit, now featuring industrial-grade sticky pads to keep them in place while making it easier to remove them when needed. The extra thick design makes the stickers easy to remove and 2 extra stickers are supplied for repositioning. This exclusive 3-pack contains a mirror, corner light and vanity light for you to use individually or in conjunction. At a max length of 20 ft, 6 m and adjustable wires, this plug-in vanity lighting fixture will fit most makeup mirrors. Peel and stick, plug and play. It only takes a few minutes to set up your own Hollywood light-up vanity.